welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm at Kearsney. We will be filming the 1022 coming in, and I'm going to film this for about an hour long. So hope you do enjoy this video. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you. Feasting for 309. So 37509 at the front. Now's the part 37509. Today's inquiry. Three 918. 903. That's the Dover inquiry. Train coming out. As there's an announcement just down that way, behind me. That's the oncoming announcement, which means the train's on his way. Well, near, should I say. There it is. So 375 903 918. 375 at the back. 375 off to Victoria. Waiting for a train can be a pain in the backside, especially when it's on a Sunday timetable. So that's why I'm doing nothing at the moment, because there's no trains coming. However, you do get an odd occasion of a freight train passing by. I highly doubt it because of the coronavirus, but I'll wear my gloves. But I'm not going on the train, so I'm not wearing my face mask. I'm not going on a train. If I was, I would wear my face mask, but I'm not going on a train. Just filming trains for you people today. Time is now 10:29 and the train's due at 11:03, so we've got about 33 minutes waiting, so let's just wait until next train comes really. Nothing really, nothing. It's not much to do really, especially on this hot day. That's why I've got a drink as well, Lucozade, because it's really hot, you know. I don't want to get dehydrated in this weather. That wouldn't be good at all. Anyway, let's do a tour of the station, shall we? Let's do it. Let's do a tour. Let me just put my drink in my pocket when it fits. There we go. Let's do a tour, shall we? Oh, didn't do that. There we go. So we got the announcement board just up here. This is platform 2, obviously. This is Kearsney. And down here there's all trees and rubbish. Look at the tracks. We've got a sign there. There's not much really down here. Apart from Kearsney. Let's go over to that side, shall we? I'm going to skip it, so I'll see you on that platform. Now we're on another platform. We're now on platform 1. So, as you can imagine, this is the 4-car stop, or a 4-coach train stop, obviously. Didn't want to sound too sarcastic there. And we have to wait till the other train comes through. See you in the next one. Well, see you when it gets there, obviously. Not next one, because that'll be next video. I'm trying to get this video to an hour long, so yeah.
This is a 12 coach one, this is.
Ooh, 12 coach to Dover Priory.
I think this one's 12 coaches.
I'm going to try to do the horn if that's right. Blow the horn. 375914. 375 leaving Kearsley to Dover Priory. And 625. Three 75709. If we go down here,
Yeah. Oh, bless his heart.
375305. Thank you. Is it 7 coaches? Thank you. See ya. Cheers. Vision 4305. And Vision 5816. Legend driver. So 12:18. So 12:18. The announcement should go off now. Oh, any minute now. Because the train's left over now. And we're going to get some tones off the driver. The next train to arrive on platform 1 will be the 12:22 service to London Victoria. The service is currently on time. Calling at Shepherd's Well, Snowdown. I'm going to let the announcement say that, actually, not me. I'm going to let the announcement say that. London Victoria, Addisham, Beaksbourne, Canterbury East, Selling, Faversham, Tenham, Sittingbourne, Newington, Rain. I'm going to let the announcements do, actually. It should go off now. You alright?
Okay.
And I was up. Don't worry. The announcement should go off soon. There we go. Faversham, Tenham, Sittingbourne,
Newington, Raynham, Gillingham, Chatham,
Come in.
Rochester,
Wait.
Mepham,
You've got time.
Longfield, Bromley South, and London Victoria. This service is operated
There it
by
is.
South Eastern. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 12:22 service to London Victoria. This service is currently on time. Calling at Shepherd's Well, Snowdown, Aylsham,
375816. Precinct 535. Precinct 5816 and Sheriff 5.